Welcome. If you're someone who's tired of wasting hours hunting for clients, buying outdated email lists, or trying to reach people who never reply, you're about to discover something interesting. Today we present to you a review of LeadsMiner Pro, a platform that claims to completely change how you find verified business leads online. Sounds bold, right? But what if it actually does what it says? Now, before we dive into details, think about this. What's the hardest part of growing any business? It's not creating the offer or setting up ads, it's finding the right people to sell to. That's the gap LeadsMiner Pro is designed to close. It promises to help you find real, verified leads, people who exist, who are reachable, and who actually fit your niche, all in just a few clicks. So what is it exactly? LeadsMiner Pro is an AI-powered lead generation platform built for marketers, freelancers, agencies, and entrepreneurs who need consistent, targeted leads without manual searching. From what's shown on its official page, it automates the entire process, collecting verified emails, phone numbers, websites, and social media data across multiple industries. Imagine typing gym owners in London or accountants in New York, and within seconds, you have a verified list of businesses complete with contact information ready to go. That's how LeadsMiner Pro positions itself, as a time-saving engine that turns the messy process of lead generation into something fast, accurate, and scalable. Inside the platform, everything is designed to be intuitive. You start with a search bar, enter your keyword, hit search, and watch the system mine real business data from across the web. You can filter, sort, and export your leads in seconds. It even lets you choose leads based on industries, locations, or specific business types. And because it verifies data before showing it to you, the risk of bouncing emails or fake numbers drops dramatically. Now, if you're wondering how it actually works, the process is simple. The AI scans trusted business sources, verifies each piece of data, and then presents it to you in a clean, easy-to-use dashboard. No tech setup, no coding, no endless spreadsheets, just results. You can click the link in the description to see the demo on the official website. It's worth watching. Let's talk numbers. The current price is $97 per month, which, compared to what it offers, is impressively reasonable. But it's important to note that this is a launch price. It keeps increasing every few hours, and once the launch ends, all discounts and bonuses will disappear. So if you're watching this during the early phase, now's probably the best time to lock in the price before it goes up. And for anyone still hesitant, yes, it comes with a refund policy. That means if it doesn't meet your expectations, you're covered. It's always good to see products stand behind what they promise, especially in the digital marketing world. Let's be real for a moment. In business, time is your most valuable asset. The hours you spend searching for prospects could be spent closing deals, building relationships, or refining your services. LeadsMiner Pro aims to give you that time back. It's not just a software tool. It's an automation system built to remove the frustration of cold outreach and replace it with clarity and speed. So, should you buy it? Based on its presentation, purpose, and pricing, it seems like a solid choice for anyone serious about scaling their business or agency. If verified leads are what you need and you want them without paying huge fees or spending days researching manually, this tool fits that perfectly. Check the official website and discount link in the description for the current pricing and bonuses before the price increases. It could be the key to streamlining your lead generation and finally focusing on what truly grows your business, connecting with real people who actually want to work with you. That's LeadsMiner Pro, and it might just be your shortcut to smarter, faster client acquisition.